and I have to say the quality is really good. You can see the elasticity and also the nice little details, just as these kind of little things are really pretty. And also the World Cup badge, and I need to say that they had these kind of jerseys, World Cup jerseys from 2022, and also this Argentina with World Cup champion badge like one day after the final, so they are clearly unmatched in terms of speaking of quantity and the variety of products. Also, as you can see, here are stickers on the sides, and the quality of the jersey is really great. Here is the back with a name and a number, obviously, and I'm really satisfied with it. Here is MESSI, number 10. So my referral link will be in the description down below. You can get $5 off your order. Also this little detail, very nice touch. They also have retro jerseys. I've ordered a couple of FC Barcelona kits from 20th century, and all of them are really good, have really good quality, and you can choose whatever you want from their website. Their shipping is decent, I would say. Here to I'm living in Central Europe. It takes around 2 or 3 weeks to arrive for their packages. So yeah, that's it.